Good morning. This morning we've just got a quick job. It's still going to take a couple of hours, just the nature of what we're doing. And this blind here, sail here, as you can see, is filthy. It's been a couple of years probably since it's been washed. A few tears on it, so it's an old girl. We will be using a small percentage, something like a 0.5 sodium hypochlorite. Not being too aggressive on it, don't want it to fall apart. Should do, but don't want it. And then what I'll be doing is putting a bit of biocide, a long acting, on it later when it's dry. So this is the before. Obviously I've got some photos to add to it. I will do an after. Hello again. It's afternoon now. The sail took a little bit longer than expected, but I think it's turned out pretty well. I was only planning 2-3 hours, but with the wait time, and then I put some bio chem down afterwards and had to wait for it to dry for that, so a bit time consuming, but I think the job, as you can see, sun's obviously moved across the sky as well. You who know the sun movements will know what time it is. Them days are gone for me, but it's turned out all right. It's a bit damp, and that's the biocide, the biochem that's on there. Over time it should lighten up a little bit more. Just need to put the furniture back, and I took it all off to keep it out of the way, and I'll put it on. So only a short video. Hope you enjoyed it. I should start doing more, eh? Right, take care. Bye bye.